Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chili garlic sauce. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need fresh red chilies, about 1 cup, and peeled garlic cloves, roughly half a cup. Additionally, have white vinegar, granulated sugar, and fine sea salt ready. Choosing fresh, firm chilies ensures a vibrant color and robust flavor for your homemade sauce. Having everything prepped makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's prepare our main components. Begin by washing your fresh red chilies thoroughly under cool water, then pat them completely dry. Next, carefully remove the stems from each chili. Roughly chop both the chilies and the peeled garlic cloves. This step makes blending much easier and helps achieve a consistent texture. Remember, wearing gloves can prevent any skin irritation from the chili's natural oils. Next, we'll transform these ingredients into a delicious paste. Transfer your chopped chilies and garlic to a food processor and blend until you achieve a coarse, textured paste. Then, heat 2 tablespoons of neutral oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the chili garlic paste and sauté it for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring frequently until it becomes wonderfully fragrant. Now, stir in 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Finally, let's bring all those flavors together. Reduce the heat to low and simmer your chili garlic sauce for 10 to 15 minutes, allowing all the ingredients to meld beautifully. You'll notice the sauce thickening slightly as it cooks. Once it reaches your desired consistency, remove it from the heat and let it cool completely. Transfer the cooled sauce to a clean, airtight jar. Stored in the refrigerator, your delicious homemade chili garlic sauce will stay fresh for up to 2 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.